The thing is, it is very important to sanitize your masks, but the microwave is not the place for that.
And the reason that it's getting fire companies, departments alarmed is what?
Well, there's so many reasons. First of all, fire experts say that synthetic materials can catch fire when they're put in the microwave. Even if they don't catch fire, the microwave can cause them to lose shape, it can degrade the material, and then you're wearing a mask that isn't effective at all. The second thing is a lot of masks contain metal, especially in the nose bridge, to help keep them in place. What's metal going to do in the microwave? It's going to spark, and that can set the fabric on fire. And third, and most importantly, there's no evidence that this works to even sanitize your mask. So you're taking this huge risk of setting your house on fire for nothing.